Yeah, they make you look smart, man.
We have cicadas here.
There are butt tons of cicadas.
I mean, hold on a second. I'll go get one.
No. Okay, go.
I'm going to get one. I'll be back.
Okay. Here's the cicada.
Alright. For those of you who do not know... Quit looking over here.
Sorry.
For those of you who do not know what a cicada is... This... Let me get it focused in here.
No, bring it back. Bring it back.
Hold on. No, I gotta focus it in over here. I got a manual over
I'm
here.
just gonna sit out of focus for a minute.
Let's, There we go. This here is a cicada. They make noise. Ah, you got my finger. They won't hurt you. Let me get a little bit.
They don't. Yeah, they're not gonna.
Look at this net. Look, he's looking at you. Do you see this?
Do you see? He's all up in your grill.
He is.
Do you
see those little eyes?
Are you gonna take that? Are you gonna take a cicada getting up in
Cicada
your grill?
in your face.
Are you gonna take that?
What?
Are you gonna take that from a cicada that's like this big? Are you gonna? How are you gonna? How do you feel? You just got owned by a cicada. How do you feel about that? Is that okay to you? Are you okay with that? I wouldn't be. I would not be okay with that. How are you okay? That cicada, okay. Okay, you're done.
They make great musical instruments.
Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop. Boom, boom. Kiss me with your blood, flirt, flirt.
This is a cicada. They are completely harmless. They will not hurt you. And see, they play dead like this. I mean, it's stupid. I know you're not dead. You're making noise. Oh, yeah, he's not dead.
Oh.
No. He's coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back.
I can't make it.
He stopped.
Yeah.